This is Jupiter. This is Callisto.
Callisto was found by Galileo Galilei on January 7, 1610, by looking through his telescope.
It has many large craters, suggesting signs of ancient volcanism and tectonic features. You could live in a natural museum, seeing what it used to be like every day. Callisto also has a salty ocean beneath its surface. So if you ever miss the ocean, just know it's right beneath your feet.
So go swimming underground for the first time.
Just like Jupiter, Callisto has its own rings, formed from meteorites that have hit the moon. But now that that's covered, let's get rid of all the boring stuff real quick.
Mass. Volume. Equatorial diameter. Density. Surface gravity compared to Earth.
It orbits Jupiter and is 1 million miles away from it.
But the distance doesn't matter because you can still see Jupiter clearly from Callisto. You can get a great view of Jupiter's rings. It would be considered a planet if it orbited the Sun, but since it orbits Jupiter, it is a moon. You could be on a moon planet if you wanted to.
Callisto is the third largest moon, being only 1% smaller than Mercury. So if you want more space but less weight, come to Callisto.
Callisto has a rocky and icy landscape, so if you wanted to play on the ice year-round, you can. The average temperature on Callisto is negative 218 degrees Fahrenheit. That is negative 139 degrees Celsius. There's no wind or precipitation, so you don't have to plan for rainy days or snow days.
It is a dead moon, meaning it has no volcanic or weather activity, so you don't have to worry about severe weather when you travel to Callisto.
It is one of the 4 Galilean moons of Jupiter.
At first, it was called Galilean number 4. Then its name was changed to Callisto, based on this story.
Callisto. Zeus is in Callisto's son. Zeus. In the myth, Hera was Zeus's wife, but Callisto was going to have Zeus's son. To protect Callisto from Hera's jealousy, Zeus turned Callisto into a bear.
Callisto's son was also turned into a bear. They were placed in the sky and became known as Ursa Major and Ursa
Callisto
Minor.
is 4 billion years old, making it the oldest landscape. You could live on a historic site in space.
Lose weight in seconds when you arrive at Callisto. For every 100 pounds you weigh on Earth, you'd weigh 12.6 pounds on Callisto.
On Earth, gravity is 9.8 meters per second. On Callisto, it is 1.23 meters per second. You can fly to work and avoid morning traffic.
Only one mission was made by the Galileo spacecraft over a period of 14 years.
The Galileo spacecraft took pictures of Callisto to be observed. Since no human has ever been on Callisto, you can be the first one to move there.
We've covered many different reasons of why you should come and visit this amazing moon. But just in case you didn't catch them all, we'll review them.
It has a salty ocean beneath its surface. It's 1 million miles away from Jupiter, so you can get a great view of its parent planet's rings. It's the 3rd biggest moon in the solar system. And its 4 billion year old landscape makes it the oldest in the solar system as well. Callisto also has no weather because its atmosphere is made up of carbon dioxide. If you're someone who loves Greek mythology, just remember that Callisto was named after the Greek myth. And once again, it has many large craters. Oh, and something we still need to mention, Callisto has a 17-day year. You could live to be as much as a couple thousand years old.
Come to Callisto now. Your adventure awaits here.